Okay, here's a quick video of my finished fuse box that I mentioned I would show some people. Essentially all I did, I don't want to pull the thing out, but there you can see that's the wire that came undone from the bottom, and I actually just took a prong connector, cut one side off because it's literally all I had in my parents' garage or my mother's garage. Oh, there you go, now my car won't start. But that's essentially it, and when this cover's on, when it covers on, it tends to hold it in place and hold it in there. There's the 10 amp inline fuse, which is my buddy who, his family owns a shop, and he and his dad run it. He basically said this is what they would charge me to do, and told me to basically go do this myself. So it's a little bit hodgepodge, but it's been working for 2 months like this. So hopefully that'll help some of you. If not, I'm sorry. Good luck to you.